Hello, hello, welcome to our live video today. Pa, 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 pa. Welcome to today's live video. Welcome. Welcome to our live class today. Welcome to our live class today. Let's just go live and both. Go live. Hi, welcome to our live class today. Welcome to our live class today. It's like I'm experiencing cough. Welcome to our live class today. Welcome. Hi guys, welcome. Welcome to today's live class. Drop any math problem you're having. Let's discuss it. If you have any math problem you're facing, just drop it in the comments. Let's discuss it. Remember the other day we discussed about some math tricks we have. Hello, thank you. Drop hi, drop hello. Where are you watching from? I'm actually in Abuja. Where are you? Where are you watching from? I'm in Abuja, Nigeria. Where are you watching from live? Where are you watching from? Okay. Hi, I'm actually in Abuja. Tamiwane, where are you watching from? Okay. So welcome, today's live class. Today we'll be learning simple maths, which is basically fractions. We'll be studying fractions today, okay? So the part of fractions we'll be looking at today, just the conversions. If you look at the subtitle of today's class, it's just how to do some conversions in fractions, okay? How to do conversions in fractions. Please do well to tap on your screen, like, share to your friends. Okay, so let's look at conversion of mixed fractions to improper fraction. Before we go there, we'll just have to refresh our memory to know what we mean by the term mixed fraction and by the term mixed fraction, and the next one, which is what? Improper fraction. Okay? When we talk about the mixed fraction, we are talking about the type of fraction that is gotten where we have a whole and a proper fraction. But when we talk about improper fraction, we are talking about the type of fraction where the numerator is always the number at the top, while the denominator is number below. For instance, an example of mixed fraction is something like 2/1/3. It comprises of a fraction of a whole and a proper fraction. And an improper fraction is just a type of fraction where the numerator is bigger than the denominator. You can have 7/2. These are the examples of this type of fraction. And our goal today is to learn how to convert this type to this type. Once we understand it, we are good to go. Do well to like the live video, share the live video so that other people can join. Like the live video, share, drop any question you're having. Okay? So what's next? Let's try to convert the first one, 2/1/3. To convert this particular fraction to an improper fraction, it is very easy. Do you know what you're going to do for me? Multiply the denominator to the whole. After doing the multiplication, add the numerator. Okay? The denominator is 3 and the whole is 2. While the numerator is what? 1. So all you have to do is just to multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. You have it as 6. Then add the numerator. The numerator is 1. Add 1. Then keep the denominator the same. Okay? If you look at this, you have 6 plus 1 is what? Let me know in the comments. Drop in the comments. 6 plus 1 is what? 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 What is 6 plus 1? Double tap the screen. Drop in the comments. Let's know who is following. What is 6 plus 1? 6 plus 1 is what? 6 plus 1 is what? Okay, 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 7 over 3. And 7 over 3 is the same thing as 2 wholes 1 over 3. Good. Let's look at the next one. Let's say we have 5 wholes 2 over 7. Okay? When you have 5 wholes 2 over 7 and you are trying to convert it to what we call an improper fraction, all you have to do is, the method is still the same. Multiply the denominator. The denominator is 7 to the whole, and the whole is 5. Then add the numerator. So I want you guys to tell me 7 times 5 is what? Please double tap the screen, like the live video so that we move on. Thank you for writing with the answer. What is 7 times 5? 7 times 5 is what? 7 times 5 is what? 7 times 5 is what? 7 times 5 is 35. So you have 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. So we have it as 37 over 7. And that's the answer. So whenever you are trying to convert a particular form of fraction, like this mixed fraction to an improper fraction, all you got to do is to multiply the denominator of the fraction 7 to the whole. After multiplying, you add the numerator. So here we did 7 times 5 is 35. 35 plus 2 is 37. We have 37 over 7. Okay? Remember, the denominator is expected to be kept constant. You don't need to change it. Okay? So let's look at the next one. 1 wholes 1 over 2. This is cheap. Can you try it? Let's know who will get it. Try it. Drop the answer in the comments. Please like and share, please. Thank you for writing. Like and share to as many groups as possible. I want you to tell me, what do you get? Can you try 1 wholes 1 over 2? Let's know what you got. 1 wholes 1 over 2. Let's know. Use the method. Make sure you're using the method. 1 whole 1 over 2. 1 whole 1 over 2. Let's know who will get it right. Okay, so for you to solve this, is very simple. Multiply the denominator to the whole, then add the numerator. 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer becomes 3 over 2. Okay, so 3 over 2 is the answer. This is the easiest method to solve this type of fractions very, very well and very, very efficient. Okay, you are so close. It's not 2 over 2, rather 3 over 2. Correct. Thank you. 3 over 2. Thank you. Please like and share the live, please. Please support me by liking and sharing the live, please. Okay, so the next one we have to look at. Let's look at the next one. Let's say we are told to convert 10 wholes 9 over 10. Good. Let's know we are told to do this. Let's interact. Very well. So for you to solve this is very simple. All you have to do, this is the denominator, 10. And this is the whole part, 10. So all you have to do is to multiply 10 by 10. 10 times 10 is 100. So 100, you are going to add the remaining numerator, which is 9. 100 plus 9 is what? 109. So 109 over 10. And that's the answer. Okay? Let's look at the next one again. Let's say you are having 4 wholes 2 over 3. And you are trying to convert this particular mixed fraction to what? An improper fraction. To do this, it is very, very simple. You know what to do. All you have to do is to multiply the denominator to the whole. So 4 is the whole, 3 is the denominator. 4 times 3 is 12. After that, you add the remaining numerator 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. The answer becomes 14 over 2. 14 over 3, please, because the denominator is 3. I want you to try 2 whole 5 over 7. Let's know who will get it. Drop the answer in the comments. Also, like and share for more. Drop the answer in the comments. Let's know who will get it. Thank you. 14 over 3. That's the right answer. Let's know who will get it. Drop the answer in the comments. Let's know who will get it. Please like the live, share the live, invite people to join. Thank you for joining. I want you guys who can get the answer. 2 wholes, 5 over 7. Convert that particular problem to an input. Okay, I have 19 over 7. I have 21 over 7. 21 over 7. How true is that? Verify. When you do 2 times 5 is what? 2 times 7 is actually what? 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 7 is 14, right? 2 times 7 is 14. Then 14 plus 5 is 19. So the correct answer is what? 19 over 5. The correct answer is 19 over 7. Sorry, 19 over 7. Reason behind that, 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 over 7. Good. I like that. 19 over 7. That's correct. Okay, let's take another example. We have 5 wholes 1 over 3. We are trying to convert it to an improper fraction. So all we do is that we are going to multiply. Please double tap the screen, like, comment, share your thought on how this live video is going. Let us know the next topic you want us to treat. Just let's interact. So all you have to do is to multiply the denominator 3 to 7. After doing the multiplication, you add the numerator. So what are you getting? 3 times 5 is 15, right? Then 15 plus 1 is 16. You have it as 16 over 3. And that's the answer. Okay, let's look at the next one. We have 2 wholes 2 over 9. To convert this one is easy. Remember, I told you that when you are trying to convert fractions like a mixed fraction to improper, what you have to do is to look at the description. You know that this number standing on stone is called the whole number. This is the whole. The one at the bottom is called the denominator, right? Denominator. Then the one at the top is called the numerator. So when you are trying to do the conversion from mixed to improper, you multiply the denominator to the whole. So 9 times 2 is 18, right? Then 18 plus 2 is 20. So the answer is 20 over 9. Please double tap, like, and share. If you have any problem, let us know in the comments. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for the comments. Thank you. Please like, share. Thank you for the comment. Please like, share. Thank you so much. So let's look at the next one. Let's look at the next one on our list. Okay, so remember, every day by this time, within Monday to Friday, we'll be having this class, 8 o'clock Nigerian time and 8 o'clock UK time. We'll always be having this class, okay, from Monday to Friday. Then on Saturday, we have 7 a.m. On Sunday, we'll also have it by 12 noon, the same Nigerian time. So the next one we'll be looking at is, let's look at 2 wholes 2 over 3. We are trying to convert. Still the same method, the whole, the denominator, the numerator. Okay, guys, try this last one. Try this one. Let's know before we move to the next one of conversion. Try this one. Let's know what you got. Try to convert 2 wholes 2 over 3. Try to convert it. Let's see what you get. Try to convert it. Let's see what you get. 2 minutes more. 2 minutes. Convert it. Drop the answer in the comments. Try to convert 2 wholes 2 over 3 to an improper fraction. Let's see what you got. Try to convert it. Okay, it's very easy. All you got to do is 2 times 3 is what? 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 plus 2 is 8. The answer is 8 over 3. And that's the correct answer, okay? That's simple, easy, and fast to do. Okay, so let's look at how to convert improper fraction. Let's look at how to convert improper to mixed. Do you still have any question on the previous one we did? Do you still have any question on the previous one we did? That's the previous one. If you still need more clarification, drop it in the comments. Let's see. If you still need more clarification in the previous one we did, drop it in the comments. Let's see. If you still need any explanation on the last one we did, drop it in the comments. Let's see. Okay, so let's continue. Do you know what? To convert this type of fraction, let's say 9 over 2. It's very easy though, but a bit tricky. Okay? But we should be careful. We should know our multiplication table. All you have to ask yourself is, this number 2 is trying to divide this 9. So how many 2s, how many complete 2s can we get inside 9? You see that 2, we have 2, 4, 6, 8. The next one is 10 before we get to 9. So we have how many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 2s. So 2 can only divide 8. So we can write it as 8 plus 1, because 8 plus 1 still gave 9. Then over 2. Then if you split the fraction now, you can see it as 8 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which is 8 divided by 2 is what? 4, right? So you have it as 4 wholes 1 over 2. And that's the answer. Okay, this is very easy as ABCD. Please double tap the screen, like, comment, and share. Please double tap the screen, like, comment, and share. Double tap the screen, like, comment, and share, please. So the next one we'll look at, let's say we have 7 over 3. So all you have to ask yourself again is, how many times can 3 divide 7 without any remainder? You see that the closest number 3 can divide in 7 is 6, right? So you can write it as 6 plus 1 over 3, because 6 plus 1 still gives 7. So nothing changed. And that will be 6 over 3 plus 1 over 3. 6 over 3 is what? 2, right? So you have it as 2 wholes 1 over 3. And that's the answer. Very easy, cheap, and fast to do. Okay, let's take a look at another one. Please like the live video, double tap, like and share, please. Like and share the live, please. So the next one we'll look at is, let's say we are looking at 12 over 5. Now, if you have 12 over 5, you ask yourself, what's the closest number 5 can divide before it gets to 12? That's 10, right? So you have it as, and when you add 2 to 10, you still have the 12. Okay? So what do you have? 10 over 5, which is what? 10 over 5 plus 2 over 5. 10 over 5, when you divide 10 by 5, you have 2. 2 wholes 2 over 3, 2 over 5. And that's the what? Answer. If you understand this, I want you to try 2 over 3. 3 over 2. Let's know your answer in the comments. Please like the live, share the video. Like the live, share the video, please. Comment your thoughts. Like the live, share the video. Okay, thank you. I'm still looking at it. We are still doing it. Thank you for your comments. Please do well to like, do well to share. I want you guys to try this one on the screen. 3 over 2. Let's know your answer. Fastest. Let's know the fastest. Let's know who is more efficient. Let's know the speed. How can you get the answer? What's the answer? We are trying to do 3 over 2. Convert 3 over 2. Let's see. Convert 3 over 2. Let's see. Convert 3 over 2. Let's see. 3 over 2. Let's see. 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Let's see. 3 over 2. Let's see. 3 over 2. Convert 3 over 2. Let's see what you got. Let's see. Fastest finger. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for that. Few, please. Thank you. Please do well to like and share. We are not converting to decimal. We are actually converting to improper fraction. Okay? All you have to do here is very simple. How many times can 2 go into 3? 2 can actually go, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so you can now split this. That will give you what? 2 over 2 plus 1 over 2. Okay, once you have it, 2 dividing itself is 1. You have it as 1 whole 1 over 2. And that's the answer. This is very easy and efficient. Okay, thank you for commenting. Please do well to like and share, please. Do well to like and share, please. Like and share, please. Like and share. So that's it. So let's look at the next one. Let's say we are having 10 over 3. This is funny. Who can try this? Try this one. Let's know the answer. 10 over 3. Convert it to a mixed fraction. 10 over 3. Drop your thoughts. Drop your thoughts. Drop your thoughts. We are not moving to decimal, okay? You tried, but we are not moving to decimal. We're actually trying to know the answer in a mixed fraction form. There's a method to convert to decimal though, but that's not what we are looking at now. Okay, please try the one on the screen. Let's know the answer. Try the one on the screen. So let's see how we got it. You see that how many times can 3 go into 10? It can get 9, and 9 plus 1 over 3. Okay, 9 plus 1 is what? You have it as 9 over 3 plus 1 over 3. 9 over 3 is 3. You have it as 3 wholes 1 over 3. And that's the required answer. Okay, this is very easy. This is very easy. Let's look at the next one. Let's say we have 17 over 5. When you have 17 over 5, how many times can 5 go into 17 without any remainder? 5 can go into 17 3 times, because if it goes, you're having 15, and 15 plus 2 is also 17. Okay, so at this, you have to split the fraction, and that will give you what? 15 plus 2, 15 over 5 plus 2 over 5. Okay, 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the answer becomes 3 wholes 2 over 3. 2 over 5. I don't know what's the reason 3 every time. Please, let's see. Let me give you guys the one to do. Make sure you do it. And if you have any difficulty in doing it, always let me know. I want you guys to try 5 over 2. 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Try 5 over 2. Let's know the answer down in the comments. 5 over 2. Thank you. I'm continuing. 5 over 2. Let's know the answer in the comments. 5 over 2. 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Let's know the answer in the comment. Maths is really easy. 5 over 2. 5 over 2. Let's know the answer in the comments. 5 over 2. Okay, when you have 5 over 2, you check what's the closest number it will divide. The closest number it will divide is simple, which is 4. You have it as 4 plus 1 over 2. Okay? And 4 plus 1 is basically, you can have it as 4 over 2 plus 1 over 2. And when 4 is divided by 2, you've got 2 wholes 1 over 2. So this is how to do conversions from this form to another form. It is very, very easy. It's very easy to convert from conversion from improper to mixed and from mixed to improper. Okay? This is very, very easy. Also share the live. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Chester Player. Thank you. 2 wholes 1 over 2. You're right. Okay, thank you. Also share the live to your friends. Share, invite people to join. Please share the live to support us. Share the live. Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue. So let's look at conversion of fractions to percentage. Okay, conversion of fractions to percentage. Okay, how can we convert fractions to percentage? There's a big relationship between fractions and percentage. Remember, percentage is a form of fraction where the ratio is in terms of 100. So let's say, for instance, we have this fraction 1/2, and you are trying to convert this fraction to percentage. Okay? To convert any given fraction you are given to percentage, do you know what to do? Multiply that fraction by 100. Once you are done multiplying by 100, simplify and your answer is out. So what does it mean? 1/2 will be multiplied by 100 over 1. Okay? So what is 1 times 100? We have it as 100. What is 2 times 1? 2 times 1 is 2. So when you divide 100 by 2, what are you getting? You have it as 50. Please don't keep your answer as 50. If you keep your answer as 50, you're actually talking about different thing. Once you assign the sign, percent, this is the symbol. It means 50%. That means 1/2 is equivalent to 50% or is equal to 50%. Please give the video a like, type like and share, please. Like and share. Give us a follow. Please subscribe to us. Give us a follow, share and subscribe. Give us a follow. Please share and subscribe. Please give us a follow. Please share and subscribe. Okay, this is how we do this conversion. It's very, very easy. Yes, I have a lot of videos. I have a lot of videos on SAT problems. I have a lot of videos on SAT problems, GCE and many others. I have a lot of problems on that. You can go through my page. I have a lot of it. Okay, so this is what we have. So let's look at 3/5. Once you have 3/5, to convert 3/5 to percentage is easy, right? All you have to do is you have 3/5. To convert any given fraction to percentage, all you need to do is to multiply the given fraction by 100. It's a law. So if you multiply by 100/1, so what do? You can actually simplify or cancel out. The reason behind that is because 5 can divide 100 without any remainder. Or you can easily decide to multiply out. Any method you use will still work. So let's cancel out. 5 divided itself is 1. 5 divided 100 is 20. You have it as 20. What are the numbers left? The numbers left is 3 and 20. So you just have to multiply 3 to 20. 3 times 20 is what? 60. 60. If you write 60, you got it wrong, but you have to include the percent. This is actually 60%. So this is how to convert fractions to percentages. Please give us a like. Thank you for saying 60%. I really like that. You are doing very well. You are doing very well. Thank you so much. Okay, guys. I want you guys to try this one for me. Try 1/10. Fastest finger. Convert 1/10 to percentage. Let's see who will get it. Convert 1/10 to percentage. Convert 1/10 to percentage. 1/10 to percentage. Thank you so much for joining. 1/10. Convert 1/10 to percentage. Please drop a like, comment, and share. 1/10 is 10%. Correct. You are right. 10%. So all you do is multiply by 100/1. Okay? If you multiply by 100/1, cancel out the 0. You are left with 1 times 10 is 10. 10%. And that's the answer. So to convert fractions to percentage is very, very easy. Okay? So let's look at the next one. Please remember, tomorrow we'll also be live by 8 p.m. Nigerian time. So you can do well to join. On Saturday, we'll be available 8 a.m.? 8 a.m. on Saturday morning. We'll start. Then on Sunday, 12 p.m. after service. That's 12 noon after service. We'll also have to continue. So stay tuned. Monday to Friday is 8 p.m. Nigerian time. Then Saturday is 8 a.m. Nigerian time. Sunday is 12 noon Nigerian time. So let's have the time in our mind so that it will help us to join. So let's look at the next one. The next one we'll be having is, let's look at 4/5. What is 4/5 to percentage? Who can try? Comment, like. Who can try? 4/5 to percentage. 4/5 to percentage. Okay, I'm from Nigeria. I live in Nigeria. 4 over 5 to percentage. Who can do that? 4 over 5 to percentage. 4 over 5 to percentage. 80%. Correct. You are right. 4 over 5 to percent is very simple. You have it as 4 over 5 times, what do we multiply? We multiply by 100. 100 over 1. At this point, 5 divided 1. 5 divided is 20. What is left? You just have to multiply the two top numbers together. 4 times 20 is 80. You have it as 80%. So 80% is the answer. Okay, let's look at the next one. We have it as 13 over 20. What is 13 over 20? 13 over 20, all you got to do is just 13 over 20. You multiply by 100 over 1. What do you observe? 20 can divide itself to get 1. 20 can divide 100 to get 5. We now multiply 13 by 5. 13 times 5 is what? 65. The answer is 65%. So this is easy. Please do like, comment, and share. Do well to like, comment, and share. Let's know where you're watching from. Let's know where you're watching from. Not 6554. Yeah, 65. Let's know where you're watching from. Where are you watching us from? Let's know where you're watching from. Where are you watching the live video from? Where are you watching the live video from? Thank you, guys. I'm in Nigeria. Where are you watching the live video from? Where are you watching the live video from? I'm in Nigeria. Where are you watching the live? Okay, India. Thank you. India, thank you. Where are you watching the live video from? Okay, thank you. So let's continue. Okay. Let's look at 2 over 25. Let's try to convert this. This is very simple. You have it as 2 over 25. You multiply by 100 over 1. Okay? If you multiply by 100 over 1, 25 divided is 1, 25 divided is 4. So what do you observe? You are left with 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So the answer is 8%. Okay? The answer is actually 8%. Let's look at the next one. We have the next one as, let's look at 7 over 10. Who can get this? Try this one. 7 over 10. What's the answer? 7 over 10. 7 over 10 is what? 7 over 10 is what? 7 over 10 is what? What is 7 over 10? Convert 7 over 10 to percentage. 7 over 10 to percentage. Who is following? 7 over 10 to percentage. 7 over 10 to percentage. 7 over 10 to percentage. 70%. Correct. You're right. So what's the answer? You have it as 7 over 100. 7 times 100 over 1. Cancel the 0, cancel the 0. What are you getting? You have 7 times 10. 7 times 10 is 70. The answer becomes 70%. So it's very, very easy to convert from one form to the other. That's how we do the conversion. So let's continue. Let's learn how to convert fractions to percentages to fraction. Percentage to fraction. To convert percentage to fraction is very easy. Let's say you have 20% and you are expected to convert this 20% to a fraction. It's very, very easy to do. To do simple conversion, converting 20% to a fraction is very, very easy to do. Do you know what to do? All you have to do is to write it as 20 over 100. Okay? First thing you do, since you are dividing by 100, you just have to do what? What are you going to do since you are dividing by 100? All you got to do is to cancel out zeros. Okay? If you cancel out 0, then you reduce the remaining fraction to its lowest term. Once you reduce it to its lowest term, any answer you have here is your answer. Okay? So that's how we convert we convert percentages to a fraction. It's very, very easy. It's not that difficult. Okay? So what do we do? Cancel a zero, cancel a zero. We are left with 2 over 10. Okay? If you have 2 over 10, if you stop here, 1/2 mark, because you have to divide to reduce to its lowest term. By 2 gave you 1, by 2 gave you 5. So the answer is 1 over 5. Okay? The answer is 1 over 5. So let's look at the next one, 62%. This is 62 over 100, right? If you have 62 over 100, you have to divide the top and bottom number by their common factor, which is 2, because 2 can divide 62 and 2 can divide 100. 2 divide is 31, 2 divide is 50. So the answer becomes 31 over 50. Okay, that's the answer. Because there is no other number that can divide them without any remainder aside 1, that becomes the answer. Let's look at 25%. That's 25 over 100. Okay? If you have 25 over 100, you see that 5 divide can give 5, 5 divide can give 20. Still, 20 and 5 can still have common factor of themselves. 5 is 1, 5 is 4. The answer becomes 1 over 4. So basically, 25% is the same as what? 1 over 4. So this is very easy, and that's an efficient way to convert. So I want you guys to convert 10% to a fraction. 10% to a fraction. Who will get it? Let's know who is following. Convert 10% to a fraction. 10% to a fraction. Who can get it? 10% to a fraction. Who can get the answer? Convert 10% to a fraction. 10% to a fraction. 10% to a fraction. 10% to a fraction is, let's check. That will be 10 over 100. Okay, cancel a 0. You have it as 1 over 10. And that's the answer. Let's look at the next one. We have 32%. That's 32 over 100. Okay? If you have 32 over 100, what do? 32 over 100, you have to divide the top and bottom number by their common factor. If you divide by 4, you get 8. Divide by 4, you get 25. If you observe, there is no other number that can divide 25 and 4. That becomes your answer. Okay? So 8 over 25 is the answer. So let's look at the next one. Let's look at 52%. If you have 52 over percent, it's 52 over 100. Since we are trying to convert a percent to a fraction. Okay? So if you have this, what do? We divide by 2 to get 26. Divide by 2 to get 50. Okay? If you look at this, there's also a number that can divide both, which is 2. So 2 divide gave 13. 2 divide gave 25. So lastly, the answer is 13 over 25. And that's the required answer. Okay? So it's easy to convert from one form to another. Conversion of fraction is very, very easy. That's one of the easiest subjects in the basic classes. Do well to like, do well to share. Do well to like, do well to share, do well to like, do well to share. Okay? So conversion of fractions is not as hard as we think. Okay? Please do well to like, do well to share, do well to like. Thank you, guys. Oh, I've tried for today. Let me just finish.